कामेषु दासी करणेषु मन्त्री भोजेषु माता शयनेषु रम्भा रूपे च लक्ष्मी क्षमया धरित्री ये स्त्री।
She's born to destiny with miles to go in her journey. Her spirit unfettered and free, her beauty beyond what you see.
ये है स्त्री,
ये कल्पना है और ख्वाहिश भी।
she's a woman, she's me.
Good morning everyone. So on this auspicious occasion of Women's Day, so let's celebrate the great women at our HLT. So on this beautiful occasion, so I'd like to introduce Smita, who's leading the whole troop here. So Soumya and like Nandini were like working seriously hard to making things happen here at HLT Software Solutions, right? So on this beautiful occasion, so let's know about like entrepreneurs in this particular area, like women entrepreneurs basically in the software area, right? So if you think about entrepreneurs, everybody talks about Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk, or if you talk about India, so Narayan Murthy or Tata, right, and even Mukesh Ambani, right? So nobody talks about women entrepreneurs, the contributions they made to this particular world, right? So I want to introduce, or not introduce, everybody of you know, so she is our home woman, so the Sudha Murthy ma'am. So she's like was born in a poor family, so like where all of their family members are doctors, so their parents also wanted her to be a doctor, but she chose to be an engineer. This is not when I'm talking in the like in terms of 90s, right? So I'm talking about 70s or 80s. End of 70s and 80s, where women is not supported to be engineers, right? So they want everybody was looking for women to be at home or like to be a housewife or a doctor or a nurse, right? So being a doctor family, right, they wanted Sudha Murthy ma'am to be to become a doctor or a nurse, right? So but she chose to be an engineer. She took a bold step. She joined BVV college, Hubli, right? So Hubli BVV college. So wherein when she joined BVV college, right, so there were no women toilets only, right? So she was bullied around. The boys used to tease her around in the college, right? So finally, like when she got gold medal, right, so everybody started respecting her. So she completed her engineering with a good marks and like passed out of engineering, and she went on searching for a job, right? So when she went on searching for a job, so she found it surprising that nobody is offering an engineer job for a girl, right? So this I'm talking about again like 80s, not 2000s or 90s, right? So that time what she did is like she saw a post wherein Tata company, which was like well established by that time only, so she saw a post saying like, so there is a opening for an engineer, in the bracket it is mentioned like women employees don't apply, women engineers don't apply. She got pissed off and like she wrote a letter to Tata. Okay, so what happened? Tata called her up and like asked, called in the sense that time we did not had mobile phones or telephones, right? So she actually sent a letter to her to visit their engineering office. When she went, it's like what Tata explained is like it's a really hard work, Sudha Murthy ma'am. So you women can't actually put on this much of hard work to be able to like sustain in this industry. That is the only reason we put in the bracket that like women employees don't apply, right? So she again like fought with Tata and told, unless you guys help us to get into this industry, nobody is gonna get into this industry. But G.R.D. Tata liked her way of approach, and she has been offered to be an engineer over there, working with so many people around. So that's where the beautiful love story starts. Okay, so one of her friend introduces her to Narayan Murthy sir. Okay, so he's from our very nearby area. So if you don't know, he's from Madhugiri, right? So someone of their mutual friend introduced to Narayan Murthy sir, they fell in love with each other and they got married. Sir wanted to start his own software company. That's the time when so people used to feel being rich having a computer at home. So if you have a computer at home, you are a rich person, right? So this is a trend, right? Sometimes we feel like if you have a fridge at home, you are a rich person. Sometimes if you have like a computer at your home, you are the rich person. It is around 1981. So that time Sudha Murthy ma'am supported Narayan Murthy sir with all her like gold and like whatever the savings she had, with like 10,000 rupees of amount. So this is again 1980s, so not 10,000 today, which is like close to 10 lakhs or something as of today if you compare, right? So then what happened? Okay, so they started the company in their home only, right? She supported Narayan Murthy sir in a beautiful way that today, right? So Infosys has close to 10 lakh employees. So out of which 30% of them are women, right? So we should feel proud of it. So the total worth of Sudha Murthy ma'am today is like 7.75 billion, which is 775 crore rupees, which is like way too much. Even though she has so much of money, right? If you see her, she's so simple. She has been seen with like a simple sari and like walking around. So she also got insults, by the way, with this like simplistic attitude. What happens once she was actually traveling to some US because of Infosys work. So by the time the people at the airport stopped Sudha Murthy ma'am, so asking her to show the boarding pass. So she was trying to enter the business class. So that a lady who's air hostess, she's shown her to go to the economy class, that is your class. Okay, then like she said like, why should I show you board pass, right? So then people around, right? So they said like all these middle class people or low class people can't understand the worth of it, and all they just shouted and murmured, and like so finally she entered the flight. They were landed in US for a conference. Unfortunately, she was the chief guest for the conference where these people are heading to. Right, so it's a auspicious situation. So like these people said sorry to her, and then they all realized the worth of simplicity. Right, so then I would like to share one more story of Sudha Murthy ma'am. So how simple it is, how simple she is, and how simple her lifestyle is. So once she was traveling in a train, she saw like one girl hiding under the seat. Okay, so basically she asked her, she kept seeing her, so she was hidden under the seat. So the TC came, he caught the girl and asked, so you don't have, show me your ticket. She said, I don't have ticket, sir, and I don't have anything to pay you. Okay, Sudha Murthy ma'am is sitting there watching curiously what will happen. Okay, so then the TC scolded the kid and like told, never enter the train again without a ticket and get down in the next stop, otherwise I will do something for you, something like that. Then Sudha Murthy ma'am got angry. She stood up, okay, and scolded the TC. She's a small kid, she doesn't even have like mother and father. She's like earning her day-to-day bread and butter by begging. So how can you expect her to take a ticket, first of all? Second of all, so she might be going to somewhere, why can't you support her? So I am paying for her ticket. Okay, you just please allow her to travel with me. And she sat with her, learned, like asked her, what are you doing, like why you are here, and helped her in some way to like get through her life as well. And like 10 years later, she was in she went for US again for some conference. Okay, what happened? She had lunch in a 5-star hotel. Okay, so 5-star hotel bills are like pretty too much. Like if it's US means it'll be in few $100s, right? So like she was like she stood up for paying the bill. So the bearer said that, ma'am, your bill is already paid. Okay, your bill is already paid. So then what happens? She asked who paid it. So they pointed to a lady. Okay, she went ahead and asked that lady, see, I'm a person like who don't want to take help from someone unless I'm not able to do that. So can I know why did you pay the bill? Ma'am, she replied, ma'am, I'm the debt giving you back. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಾಲನ ತೀರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So that lady is the same girl whom she helped in the train. Okay, so like she has been seen in like so many social activities, social services. She's donated like millions together money during this COVID, during the pandemic, even in the Pulwama attack. So she donated 10 lakhs for each soldier's family. So she has been seen like very generous and like very simple person. If you observe her, right, she'll not even have a jewelry on her neck or hand or like wherever you wear, right? So she doesn't even wear a simple jewelry, and like we have seen her talks are very, very inspirational, right? So I would like to remember her and like would like to see more women entrepreneurs like you. So definitely whom you see here are having that same potential, especially Smita, for example. So she is coming from like IEM background, so she also went into college wherein like no girls are joining that branch, right? So IEM is like kind of mechanical. So she went out from there, did her struggles to come to a level where she has been best employee for 2 years, and she coded like almost 50% of the application for our learner app Borrow, and even our CMD which is coming in near future, and she helped so many achievers, right? So many of her students are in Australia or in US, UK enjoying their life with the knowledge she has taught them, right? So they even today remember and they call me up. So because of Smita ma'am sir, we are happy and like living a auspicious life. So I would like to thank each and every woman in this organization. Definitely guys, HLD is an organization led by women. Okay, so it is actually organized by women. So she's the one like who's head. So I'm just an enabler. So maybe I come to your mic so many times, but she's the one who is backbone for our HLT, and these people are the one whom I would like to see as the upcoming backbones. Say company needs a lot of pillars, right? Not only one. So on this auspicious day, I'd like to wish a really, really happy Women's Day for each one of you. And I would request Smita to cut the cake. Before that, I have a really small gift for each one of you. Smita, thank you very much. So write great stories like this, and like next 10-20 years be an inspiration for the next young generation. Soumya, done well, okay, achieve better in your life. Nandini, thank you, happy Women's Day. Okay, thank you. So I'd like to invite our Wonder Woman and like upcoming Wonder Woman to cut the cake, please. One to take.
She's a woman, she's me.
की न मांगना चाहे पहचान का दान,
साथ चल